Hello everyone. Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Loosen this ponytail, make a division in it, and roll this ponytail in on itself. Now divide the rest of the hair at the bottom into 3 parts. Add a rubber band in the middle of each of these 3 parts and roll the hair in on itself. Once you are done with this, make the rest of the braid and roll it upwards, fasten it in place using some pins. Next, take a section from the left and the right side of the scalp, tie it up at the back. Take another section from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back, and now push the second section through the first as such. Take 2 more sections from either side and braid both of these sections and let it be. Join them both at the back, more towards the right side, and lift it up and let it be. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now tie it up more towards the right side. Repeat the step. Next, leave out a section of the hair in the front on the left side, gather the rest of the hair together and make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band to the end of it. Now take the section from the front, comb it in place, and after you have combed it, roll it around the top front section of it. Taking the rest of the hair, twist it one on top of the other and insert it in place by raising it up. Next, we'll start off by taking one section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself, take a section from the left, bend it over and pin it up in place. Next, take a section from the right side, twist it and then insert it through the top as such. Pull it down, now twist the rest of the hair as well and roll it up. Add some decorative pins to the top. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side and tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Now take a section of the hair from the left side, fold it over and pin it up onto the right side. Now take the right hand side section of the hair, spin it up towards the left side, and now with the rest of the hair remaining, twist it one on top of the other after making 2 sections out of it. Loosen the sides using your fingers and pin it up at the back. Next, take a section from the left and the right side of the hair, tie it up at the back, take another 2 sections from either side, tie it up at the back, and put the second section through the first as such. Make 2 braids on either side of the scalp. After you're done with this, add more sections of the hair into this that have not been braided yet and make a braid out of it as you progress with it. This is what it should begin to look like. Once you're done with this, add a rubber band to the bottom of it. This is how it should finally look. Tie a ponytail to the hair, roll this ponytail in on itself as such, and then tighten it. Now, after you've tightened it, add a pin to the top. Take a section from the left and the right side of the scalp, tie it up at the back, roll the hair, that is the second section, through the first as such. Make 2 braids on either side. After you've made the 2 braids on either side, join them together at the back. As you include sections of the hair from either side, make it into a braid. As you progress, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Add a rubber band to it once you're done and at the bottom, and now roll it up into a bun once you're finally done with this. This is what it should finally look like. Roll it upwards and then pin it up in place. Add decorative pins to it. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Pull the second section through the first as such. Now take a section of the hair from the left side in the front and then begin to braid it. Do the same on the right side as well. Make a normal braid out of either side of it. Now take both of these braids, join it at the back and tie it up together. Thank you for watching.